The Rich Thomas Weather Network is brought to you by these fine sponsors.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, April 27th, 2016. Whenever I say April 27th, chill bumps from what happened 5 years ago on this date. We'll talk about that in just a second. We have much to cover this morning. We have a severe weather system out to the west of us. We'll tell you what will happen when this system gets to Alabama, how strong it will be, walk you through future radar as well, take you through the weekend for here and Talladega and the beaches. If you're ready, this is a good video this morning. I hope you watch.
Wow, look at all the severe weather out to the west of us today. Lots of watches and warnings from Missouri all the way down into Arkansas and Texas. A very busy severe weather morning already underway, and the Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe weather all the way from, Missouri into Louisiana and Mississippi today. With us, the rain chances are small for the late afternoon hours. A slight chance of an afternoon storm, high around 86. Better chance of showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight with a low of 67 and south wind 6 to 12. Here's 3 p.m. You see a few blips on the radar. Yeah, there could be a thunderstorm here and there. I don't think it's going to be widespread, isolated. Here's 6 o'clock tonight on future radar. And as we go into the overnight hours, you see that weakening line of thunderstorms from that severe weather outbreak out to the west of us edging into Alabama. There's 1 o'clock in the morning. 4 o'clock in the morning, yeah, there could be a few strong storms with some maybe damaging wind gusts around. We'll be watching the radar very carefully. 6 o'clock in the morning, still holding together across north central Alabama, sliding into the central counties by that hour. And by 9 o'clock, it's breaking apart. It looks like it's losing strength, but they could refire in the afternoon heating during the daytime hours on Thursday. So the Storm Prediction Center has us under a marginal risk, the southern two-thirds of the state, for the day on Thursday as well. Again, damaging wind gusts, a possibility, an isolated severe weather threat, I would say, with showers and thunderstorms, mainly central and southeast Alabama, Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening before edging out of the state. Then a very warm Friday, mostly dry, highs in the upper 80s. And as we get into Saturday, we're going to have to include a small 20% chance of some thunderstorms, but I think that's a summertime situation. Highs in the upper 80s. A wet and stormy Sunday with highs in the low to mid 80s. Will it be severe? We don't know yet. We'll keep an eye on that forecast. That's kind of out there. We're looking now at the next few days, and we're seeing 83 tomorrow with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Mostly sunny, upper 80s Friday, upper 80s Saturday with a slight chance of an afternoon storm. Showers and thunderstorms Sunday, edging into Monday with highs in the low to mid 80s by then. What about Talladega? Well, I think the Geico 500 could be in trouble on Sunday afternoon with a 60% chance of showers and storms. Otherwise, Friday's dry and Saturday just a small chance of a shower. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City, highs in the upper 70s on Friday and Saturday. Chance of thunderstorms Sunday. Gulf water temperature now at 73. And the European out 10 days shows the blue bars at the bottom, the storm system tonight and tomorrow, and then another storm system Sunday, and then another storm system around the middle of next week, and then cooler air after that as we fall back into the 70s for high temperatures.
5 years ago today, April 27th, 2011.
Here is one of the most famous tornadoes, of course, from that day. This is the EF4 tornado that came into Tuscaloosa. It is the most photographed. It is the one that caused tremendous damage. A total of 44 people killed. This was around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 44 people killed around the Tuscaloosa area, 20 more in the northern part of Birmingham. This particular tornado on the ground for more than 80 miles, more than 1,500 people injured. Total of 64 dead from this one tornado. This was the EF4, and again, there were 11 EF4s that day, but even more staggering, 4 EF5s in one day, 22 EF3s. That's 37 major tornadoes in one day, and an absolutely incredible day. This is part of a supercell thunderstorm which started in eastern Mississippi, moved through northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and ended up in western North Carolina. It was around for several hours before it dissipated. The total numbers from that day, absolutely staggering. 363 tornadoes, 317 fatalities, biggest super tornado outbreak in U.S. history. The most tornado deaths since 1925. Alabama had 62 tornadoes, 253 dead. That Tuscaloosa-Birmingham tornado, we mentioned the EF4, 80 miles in length, 64 dead, 1,500 injured. A lot of us locally remember one particular tornado. These are all the tornado tracks. Down at the bottom right, you see tornado number 56. and that is the one that affected parts of our area in Tallapoosa and Elmore County. And this is what it looked like in Eclectic at the Myers Trailer Park. Completely obliterated, multiple deaths here, and it went on to the Lake Martin area, and I had to broadcast live from that location the following night, and it's an experience that I will never forget for the rest of my life. In 39 years of covering the weather for you here in the river region, there are only a handful of days that stand out in my mind. 2 of them hurricane days, the rest of them tornado days, and that is certainly up there near the top. Hey, we'll update you on this current weather situation with a live video briefing from the Blue Water Weather Center coming up at 11 o'clock this morning. Otherwise, your next complete video is scheduled for tomorrow morning at 4:45, weather permitting. We'll see how that goes. Otherwise, have a great day today, and I'll talk to you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.